Okay. So I think you are able to hear from me, right? Can any one of you please respond? Hello? Yeah. Hi, Krishna. Yeah. See, myself Balakrishna. So, just I would like to give a little description of myself. So, actually, currently I'm working with Wells Fargo as a Oracle PL/SQL developer. Total I have 6.5 years experience. So, can you just introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure.
So,
My name is Krishna, and I'm working as a business objects developer. I know basics of SQL.
okay.
Kind of like I'm looking for PL SQL and kind of advanced PL SQL concepts, like how to, like at least maybe procedures within the packages, procedures, and sub packages kind of stuff. So how to call the procedure with a second procedure or something like that. How to pass a value from one procedure to other procedure.
Okay.
So kind of that kind of requirements are there in my current project. So
Okay.
I have to do some reporting on based out of those procedures.
Right. So it has an Arjun SQL, right?
I know SQL.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Okay. Yeah. So basically, this is the course content. So it will start with the introduction of SQL. Okay, and we'll see about the joins, subqueries. We'll see about the constraints, indexes. So we'll see some functions, and we'll see the date functions, and we'll see the set operators. So basically, I'll start with the SQL part, and later we'll move to PLSQL. So if you come to PL/SQL, so you can see all the loops. You can see the case statement. So this is the advanced part. This is exceptions. So creating procedures, how to pass a parameter to the procedure, procedures with the exceptions. So this is the detail of the course content. So how you want me to start? Do you want me to start from PLSQL or shall I start with from SQL? It's up to you.
Yeah. Hello. I don't know about the other people, so mostly like I
Okay.
know about but like I'm kind of like you can go through each topic, and if you think that like I'm okay in that, we can move on to the next topic because joins means I have written a complex queries also,
Okay.
so
Okay.
I have used some of the analytical functions like lag, lead, all those kind of things also in my
Okay.
query.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah.
yeah, rank functions and
Mhm.
so probably that only thing which I haven't worked was on the DDL statements like
Mhm.
create table, create constraints, creating indexes.
Okay.
So how
Okay.
to those kind of stuff I haven't worked on, like creating multiple, like a kind of a entire database from the scratch to the, like
Okay.
creating 5 tables and the relationships between all those tables. I haven't
Okay.
worked on that kind, so probably we can cover those things if you want.
Yeah.
And apart from that, like my core requirement was on the PL SQL.
Okay.
So
Fine.
anything is, yeah, if you want, like if the others are okay with us seeing the demo on the PL SQL, then it's fine.
Okay. So I don't know about the rest, but I think Divya, Anusha, and those two guys, right? Other two.
Yeah.
Anyways, for today, I'll just give you the overview of the course content. So what we are going to learn in the next 20 to 25 days. Okay, let me start with the demo. So basically, Oracle is nothing but it's used to store the data. If you want to tell me in simple words. So basically, it's a database which is used to store the data. So basically, it's having two parts. Like it's a SQL and PLSQL. So with the help of SQL, that means it's a structured query language. Structured query language. So with the help of SQL, so we can write some programming by using PLSQL. So basically, in SQL, we have 5 different sublanguages. One is a DDL, that means it's a data definition language. Can you able to give me some?
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah. So what about the others? I think everybody can see the screen, right? We have 5 sub-languages in SQL. So one is DDL, the other one is DML, data definition language, and data manipulation language, and DCL. DCL means data control language. TCL. TCL means it's a transaction control language. Transaction control language. Finally, DQL. DQL means data querying language. How you are going to query the data from database tables. Data querying language. So within each part we have some commands. So for DDL means it's creating table, altering the table, either dropping the table. So generally in Oracle, so all the data will be stored in tables as a rows and columns. Just I want to show you one simple table. So how you guys are what is the tool that you are using in your company? It's a SQL developer or Toad or what? Krishna?
I'm using SQL developer.
Okay.
There are chances that they will be using Tor if I
Based on the license.
Yeah.
So, here, this is the SQL developer tool. Basically, this is the tool which is used to develop any kind of database objects.